The lost art, unraveling its meaning in today's world. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, lost art. This phrase is not just about art in the traditional sense, but it carries a deeper, metaphorical meaning. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, lost art, refers to a skill, practice, or tradition that was once widespread and valued but is no longer practiced or is rare today. It's like an old treasure that's no longer seen in modern life. For example, writing personal letters by hand can be considered a lost art in the digital age. Understanding the historical context can be crucial. In the past, certain skills were essential for daily life or highly regarded in society. But as technology advances or cultural values change, these skills can become obsolete. When we say something is a lost art, it's often with a sense of nostalgia or appreciation for the past. Let's look at some examples to clarify the concept. Calligraphy, once a common skill, now a specialized art. Oral storytelling, replaced largely by books, movies, and digital media. Handcrafting, with mass production, individual handcrafting skills are less common. Each of these examples highlights a skill that was once prevalent but is now rare. You can use lost art in various contexts. It's often used to express regret or appreciation for these bygone skills. For example, listening patiently seems to be a lost art these days. In our world of emails, writing heartfelt letters is a lost art. Notice how it's used to compare the past and the present, often in a nostalgic or critical way. So, lost art is more than just about literal art. It's about skills and practices that have faded over time. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't let learning English become a lost art for you. See you in the next video.